The summary should provide answers to the following questions. Number 1. What has happened? For instance, a malicious file with the name msa.dodlg.exe has been detected on the workstation of the business manager. Number 2. What conclusion has been reached? Based on the triage, the detection is a true positive. Number 3. What evidence can be presented to support this conclusion? The SHA-256 hash value matches that of an emoted malware sample and has been detected as malicious by 55 engines on VirusTotal. Number 4. Does the incident require a further analysis? The incident will be escalated to Tier 2 to determine what kind of malicious activity has been performed on the workstation and how did the incident occur. Remember to include the timestamp information for the escalation.